Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will do Puppetry review and demo. This is a software which can help you to generate talking head videos, and we'll try to figure out if this software can be useful or not. And first of all, what I notice when I look at this software and the product description, I believe it is kind of competitor to another tool which was available on AppSumo, PPO. However, PPO generates realistic humans in the video. So with PPO, you could generate automated reviews or news broadcasts or educational videos with realistic humans. Unfortunately, this still is not available on AppSumo anymore. And with Puppetry, we'll see how it works, but here generated humans will be less realistic. But anyway, there are use cases where it can be useful. You can generate educational videos, for example, and there are a lot more of use cases. So with this deal, you get one plan and you can generate unlimited videos, which sounds a bit too generous for me. So just for $49, you get unlimited video generations. So let's quickly check some questions. Some people mentioned that the quality of voices are not so great, but the creator promises to upgrade that. Some issues with uploading own images. Yeah, and I think this is a very important answer, that Puppetry is focused on animating avatars, not real faces. Okay, so let's dive into the Puppetry. First of all, you can ask to generate your own avatar, like suggested one, a face of a cartoon girl, as a news reporter, and we can see some advanced options. So I believe the seed will be needed if we would need a consistent model. So let's generate. Okay, so this feature is not included in my trial, not a problem. So let's go to presenter generator, and here you can choose gender, origin, fashion style. Also, there is a default style and a cartoon style. So we can choose skin tone, and it's great that images are being switched pretty quickly. Yeah, so probably those are being regenerated for you. Okay, let's go to the purple one. So here we are not pretending to be human realistic. Everybody will know that it is AI generated avatar and voice. However, there are plenty of use cases where this still can be useful. And let's go next. Image asset will be relevant when you will have images generator. And let's go to the main part called Animator. So here you can work with your generated avatar, and you can upload your image as well, or you can check pre-generated faces. Yep, let's go with generated one. And here you can paste your own text or animate with your own audio file. Let's go with our own text. This is just a small portion of one of my videos. So you can have maximum of 3,600 characters. So let's choose some voices.
Trying to get an appointment to see your doctor.
The length of the exercise session.
Life is short, as everyone knows.
Because biographies of famous scientists.
Conscious of its spiritual and moral heritage, the Union is found.
If you want to achieve extreme success,
you can spend some time choosing the best voice for a video, but let's go with Evelyn and let's submit. I don't know why it suggests to retry. Let's retry. Okay, not sure why it is not generating. Let's try one more time. And let's retry. Yep, not sure why it is not working. Maybe I need to choose one of the predefined faces. I don't know. Well, let it be this one. And let's retry. And it shows retry, and I don't know why. Well, let's choose the male picture.
Trying to get an appointment to see your doctor.
Let's use this Australian voice and retry. Alright, now it worked. I have my video generated. We can download that. So let's open the video here.
Welcome to Crowded Lab and good news everyone. Today I will do a revisit video, updated review of Kateb. I did my review of this tool 4 months ago, and now it is back on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. So in this video, we'll see what changed. Is it still worth getting? And what I like about this tool, and maybe what this tool is missing. Also,
okay, so you saw the quality of all the generations for yourself. The animation of a picture was pretty basic. Lips movement was pretty okay, not so great, but not too bad. So let's try and generate presenter one more time. Yeah, let's use this one. Let's go to Animator and let's use the first voice and try to submit. No, I cannot submit. Let's use this voice and retry. Okay, it is being submitted. Alright, so we'll see another soon. Well, the next video is ready as well. Let's download that. Okay, so here it is, the video, and let's play it.
Welcome to Crowded Lab, and good news everyone. Today I will do a revisit video, updated review of Kateb. I did my review of this tool 4 months ago, and now it is back on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. So in this video, we'll see what changed.
Okay, so you see for yourself that in particular for this image, it has too much of a distortion, so not a great one. And there were some clicking noises once in 10 seconds. Okay, so moving to the conclusion. In my tests, Puppetry didn't perform well. I just asked the tool what it's meant to do. Not from the first try. I have generated 2 videos. The first one was a bit better, and the second one, even for avatar, was not in the quality that you can use. Maybe it is a limitation of my trial account. Maybe with some images it can work. But as I mentioned in the beginning, it seems to be too good to be true to have everything unlimited just for $49. Maybe they will upgrade the tool, increase the price and the quality. Who knows? It can happen, but no one can guarantee you that. So for myself, I would not get it, but maybe you have other use cases and you can try it with 60-day money-back guarantee. So AppSumo have you covered here. Anyway, if you would like to try Puppetry, I will leave the link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.